Wealth building hacks for every income level? Let's get started. First up, pay yourself first. Automate savings, no matter how small. Next, live below your means. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Invest early and often, even with spare change. Diversify your income streams. Side hustles can become main hustles. Learn constantly. Financial education is key. Negotiate everything. Bills, salaries, purchases. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Leverage compound interest. Time is money. Track your spending religiously. Cut unnecessary expenses, but don't deprive yourself. Invest in yourself. Skills pay the bills. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Your future self will thank you.